Are you a student looking for ways to earn money without affecting your studies? Here are some smart and practical ideas. The good news is that students can earn extra income by using their skills, free time, and the internet. Let's start with online opportunities that require little or no investment.
Freelance writing is a great option if you enjoy writing articles, blogs, or social media content.
Students with design skills can create logos, thumbnails, posters, and social media graphics.
Video editing is another high-demand skill that can help students earn consistent income. Online tutoring allows students to teach subjects they already understand well.
If you know more than one language, translation work can be a valuable source of income, and
Managing social media accounts for small businesses is another growing opportunity. Students can also start a YouTube channel and build an audience around topics they enjoy.
blogging can generate income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing over time. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by recommending useful products online.
Selling handmade products or digital products can also create an extra income stream.
Students can sell study notes, templates, or educational resources to help others learn.
Photography enthusiasts can upload images to stock photo platforms and earn royalties from. Online surveys won't make you rich, but they can provide small amounts of extra cash.
Offline opportunities like pet sitting, tutoring, and local services can also generate income.
Private tutoring remains one of the most reliable ways for students to earn money.
Part-time event work can provide flexible earnings during weekends and holidays. Pet care services are becoming increasingly popular in many communities.
The more valuable your skills become, the more money you can potentially earn. Remember to balance your earning activities with your studies and personal well-being.
Saving a portion of what you earn can help build financial confidence and independence.
Success doesn't happen overnight. Consistency and continuous learning are the keys.
Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, content creation, or selling digital products, students have many ways to earn money. Start with one. Another great option is learning simple digital skills, such as data entry, virtual assistants, or basic website management. Many businesses look for affordable help, making these skills valuable for students.
The best time to start building income skills is while you're still a student, because experience compounds over time.
Learning new skills online can open doors to better-paying opportunities in the future.
Start small, stay consistent, and remember that every successful journey begins with a single step.